Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming essentials so the change goes smoothly. You already have clean shorts and underwear ready. Sit on a sturdy chair or bench for balance. Once seated, unbutton or unzip the current pants and slide them down to your knees. Make sure to keep one hand available to steady yourself. Next, step 1 foot out at a time while maintaining balance. This minimizes strain and prevents fabric snags. Now prepare the replacement shorts within arm's reach so you can proceed immediately. You move on by stepping into the fresh shorts carefully, one leg at a time, which helps preserve posture and avoids twisting. As you lift them, align seams and the crotch so the fit is even. Once the waistband reaches your hips, pull up smoothly while engaging core muscles slightly to avoid jerks. Fasten buttons, snap or tighten the drawstring. Make sure the waistband sits evenly. Then check pockets and inner layers, reposition anything caught, and breathe. You're almost finished, and stability is still key. You finish by verifying fit and comfort. Stand up slowly and take 2 or 3 deliberate steps to test movement and rise. Once done, smooth the waistband, tuck in undershirts if needed, and adjust pockets so nothing bulges. Make sure hems aren't caught under shoes. Reach back to refasten any belt or drawstring. If the shorts feel too tight or too loose, change sizes or resecure fastenings immediately. If chafing appears, apply a barrier or change fabric. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.